Yes, massive, blessed love. Hope say ones and ones are the well and everything alright. You see it? But Jano, yeah, me just come in off our work a while ago and me just get a sad piece of news here. And the news they affect me so much in so much different ways, may I tell you, Jano. Cause watch you now, the bridging, you know, yeah, me feature him in a one of my video them seeing way too. And we are talking about freelance Chucky, you see? Yeah. We just hear a while ago say freelance Chucky meeting and one accident and the rest gone, you know? Yeah, I hear say the rest drop out of here. See? So one say rest in peace to freelance Chucky and yeah. And my deepest condolences to your family and your friends them. You see? All our loved ones them. See? And you see as a Rasta and as a fellow Jamaican, the bridging, yeah, it means so much to I and I differently still. Especially us in the YouTube circles, you see? Because one time you want to see a positive side of Jamaica, we always tend to tune in and watch what freelance Chucky are going with. So a whole heap of sadness this right here now for us. You understand? And yeah, no, may I tell you, yo, this earth bad still. But we want to ask the man them who they use the road. Not even just the man them, the people them, the road users, man. The road users. The driver them and the bike rider them on the road. Wanna use the road with more caution, man. Wanna respect each other life and safety, man. Hey, Jamaican people, no see where I destroy ourselves with guns and fast vehicle. You know see the amount of young people where they drop out because of these guns and these fast vehicles. And people just dip on the road and use the road without no kind of regard or no kind of, you understand, no kind of respect for people life, brethren. If we use the road in the right and proper way, you understand, we can save each other life and we can save each other from the bugger inconvenience with all of them accident and them injury and all kind of life-changing situation, man. We have to do better what we are doing on the road here. May I tell you so one time I there Jamaica, you know, man. The last time I there Jamaica in the last year. Every time I go out on the road, may I tell you, say, every single day I go out on the road. And we drive on Rosal Road. One accident upon the road. I mean every single day. We have to do better than what we are doing. And the government have to start to step in and start to do more same way to, you understand? Put in measures on the road so it you understand, it curb the way how people are use the road. You understand? It put some things in the road where can slow down the people them. You understand? Put speed trap on the road. Invest in the radar and them kind of things. Invest in cameras and them kind of things. So people can feel safe when them use the road. And the government alone can do it. The people and where they use the road, you have to know how to use the road properly and how to drive in the right speed limit and them kind of things there, and just, you understand, have some more respect for your life, man, and have respect for each other life same way to, man. I just few days ago me I see a news where them a talk about this youth who a feature in a one freelance Chucky video same way too. The youth was named Anthony. Seen? And we are here so that the youth they get shot and killed same way too. Seen? And we don't even recover from that. And then we are wake up to this and now we are here so freelance Chucky drop out. Because of accident. And the speculation is that is a hit and run. Jano Star, may I tell you? Yeah, me feel that one differently still. People, you see your loved ones around, you know. And if you cherish the moments with your loved one. See? Make sure say the people them who mean something to you now in your life. And make them people them know how much you appreciate them. See? Because the journey short. And people are speed up the journey. You understand? With carelessness. So now just cherish the moments when you have with the loved ones, is it? I want to say condolences once more to the friends and family at Chucky. See? And just go and live the positive vibration. Still connect with the positive energy. What Chucky always a push. And make we live that for Chucky. See? Make we continue the positive vibration and the positive outlook and the productive outlook of Ras Chucky. See? And make that spirit that live on. So I want to say give thanks to the moment. You see it, I want to say people, want to take care of yourself and take care of your family. Youth and youth where they use the road, me I tell you, man, on careful and just have some more respect for yourself, man. Have more respect for life, man. See? Just think life and live life and love life, man. Just go and take care of themselves and more blessed. Stay positive and stay out of trouble.